Okay, so we're here at Jacobs Nature Park at Sinking Creek, and the Minga Trail Loop is here. And it's a little over 6/10 of a mile. It's supposed to be easy. I've never been here before, even though this is less than 2 miles from my house. I've driven by it many times, but this is the first time that I've actually stopped to get out and look around. Black locust. Sinking Creek Wetland Restoration Project. Okay. So that's my intention, is to try to do the Minga Path Loop. It's 6/1/10 of a mile. It's the one in the blue. So here we go. I don't talk much, but I'll make a few comments along the way. We live in the salamander capital of the world. Interesting. A little creek over here to the right. There's a little beaten path down to the water. Nice wooden bridge type walkway here. It's a little warm today, not too terribly hot. You may hear the road. King Springs Road right there. That building through the trees with the steeple is, I believe that's Rich Acres Free Will Baptist Church, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, we head off to the right. The wooden bridge pathway runs out. Nice view of the water. And on this side, here we go. Off to the left, it just goes up the hill, wooded area, and then the Sinking Creek is down on the right. This reminds me of the area in which I grew up, Richlands, Virginia. We used to run along in the hills, and we had an area close to my home that reminded me of this, next to a baseball field. Spent a lot of time up in there making our own trails. I hear voices, so there must be people nearby somewhere. I don't see anybody. The view of Sinking Creek. Very shady in here. Just a little bit of sun beating through the trees. Minga Trail Loop. They say this is easy. On my All Trails app, it has it listed as easy. I can agree with that. So far, I've not seen anything that's not easy. I'm breathing hard because I'm walking fast. I am kind of moving along. Here's an American beech tree. Witch doctors flying around. That's what we always called those flying bugs with the black wings. I don't know what they're supposed to be called, but growing up, the kids in my neighborhood, we referred to them as witch doctors. There's a little path going off to the right. Not sure to where. It looks like it just goes to the creek. We'll keep going this way. Slight uphill grade. A little bit of a clearing down there. The eastern box turtle. Fun facts. Box turtles eat poisonous mushrooms and retain toxins in the body. Their flesh may induce poisoning of humans. So that's neat. Turn that for more facts. So I guess this is the loop part of it. Go this way. I'd like to see a box turtle. Be cool. Or a salamander. Looks like the side of a mountain over here to the left. Still on the blue path. And a good old red maple. Johnson City, Tennessee is where we are. I noticed the All Trails app had 30 some odd trails listed for Johnson City. I just downloaded that app last night. I never knew it existed until I was watching a YouTube video and heard another YouTubing hiker make reference to it. So I downloaded it and it's pretty cool. I like it. See, this rock has character. Character, I say. Fallen leaves that life scatters on the ground. It'll be fall before you know it. We're still in summer. All these leaves here start turning before we know it. Many, many beautiful colors. Oh, the hikers coming this way. Get to be friendly. Hello. Excuse me. Okay, so here is a little shelter or amphitheater type thing with a parking lot. Nice benches. And I'm not exactly sure where this parking lot is. But we're still in Jacobs Nature Park. It's a nice little area. It'd be good to have a outdoor church service or something here. Maybe some kind of music event. Picnic table. This picnic table's elevated quite a bit higher than the typical picnic table. Anyway, here's another bench. Grandma and Grandpa's bench, it says. Alright, let's get back on the trail here. Well, as you can tell, we're not too far from civilization. There's houses here right on the other side of this fence. And it just seems like it's ending here. That doesn't seem right. Okay, that's going right back to that parking lot. Did I miss something? Okay. Let me backtrack here and see if I can find out what I missed. Are we supposed to go that way? I'm not sure. Well, hold on just a minute. Apparently, I'm supposed to go through the parking lot. I'm looking at my All Trails app here. So apparently, I go through the parking lot and I cross over Sinking Creek. Glad I looked at the app, because I would have been left in confusion. I'm not the most proficient hiker, not very experienced at all. I'm going to walk this way. Maybe we go this way. Let's see what we can find out here. Looks like we're on to something. Yeah, here we go. We're in business now. Cooking with Crisco. There's another witch doctor. All right. Oh, cool. Here's a nice view of Sinking Creek. Good old Sinking Creek. Warning, this body of water contains elevated levels of fecal sewage bacteria. Oh. Yes, I will avoid swimming and wading. Don't have to tell me twice. Alright. As we mosey right along here. Another bridge coming up. Nice. Very nice. let me stop again and see where we are. Okay, it looks like I didn't go to the far end of the parking lot, so I cut off just the slightest corner, it looks like, because we turned around and went back up by the amphitheater. Anyway, that's fine. We didn't miss much. So I'll mark this as complete when we finish. Maybe I'll go back and just see what was back there. Leftover logs, anybody? I can see now any more advanced hikers, if they were to watch this video, would probably chuckle at me that I even had to pull out the All Trails app for a 6/10 of a mile easy hike. But that's kind of where I'm at. It's kind of where I'm at. Hey, I'll be 50 years old in 2 months, and I'm relatively new to hiking these trails, any trails for that matter. So that's all right. We'll get there. There's a bench. This is probably the calmest part of the water that I've seen so far. It's just a small creek, but it's still pretty peaceful riding this little stretch. Cardinal redbird, missed him. The ground is just a little bit wet, a little bit muddy. It's not muddy enough to really be a slip hazard, but it does have some moisture right now. It's not dry. We've had quite a bit of rain in previous days. It's not rained any today. Black willow. Another bench if you need it. And I've got things on my feet. And yes, I do have tennis shoes on today. Short hike, so I didn't think anything would be wrong with that. This water is beautiful right here. It really is. It's much prettier than what I was anticipating. Looks like it could be about 2 feet deep right there. It's clear, very clear. Probably 3 feet deep right there. Probably can't tell on the video, but looking at it, standing here in person, it could be 3 or 4 foot deep right there. Back, going forward. Pollinators. Our future flies on the wings and marches forward on the legs of pollinators. Good old hummingbirds and bees and butterflies. This is nice. Wow. Oh, this right here is my favorite spot so far. This is my favorite spot so far. How peaceful. This nice little clearing. Bench here. Nice view of the water. Just sit here in peace. Very nice. Very nice little spot right here. Alright. Looks like the trail goes on around this way. There's a little loop of some sort. Well, I'll just go this way. This takes us to a bench. I feel like I'm in a corn maze right here. That other little trail is just right there, so this is a loop within a loop, I think. A loop within a loop. Witch doctors abound. There it comes out, so let me just jet back up this way to see what's here. Okay, there's where we were. What's this way? Just more water. And here we are, back where we started, the kiosk. And I never even noticed that the trail come up that way. Here's where we started at. And back to the parking lot. All right, that was the Minga Path Loop. It's a 23-minute video, but we stopped a few times. And there's my vehicle. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a good day.